Step inside our advanced manufacturing facility, where cutting-edge, multi-nozzle dispensing technology turns concepts into high-quality products. Equipped with dozens of precision nozzles working in perfect harmony, our system delivers materials with exceptional accuracy and repeatability on every cycle. Watch as vibrant materials are carefully dispensed into custom hexagonal molds. Every drop is placed exactly where it belongs, creating clean lines and professional finishes. The sophisticated equipment allows us to handle complex multicolor applications while maintaining consistent quality across all pieces, essential for premium custom manufacturing. These components feature sharp details, strong adhesion, excellent durability. From industrial parts to custom designs, we ensure every product meets the highest standards, combining advanced automation with skilled oversight. We deliver fast turnaround time and reliable results for brands worldwide. Precision engineering at its finest. Your vision perfectly executed.